This video is sponsored by Lumberjack Tools. Go to www.lumberjacktools.co.uk and use code MAT0005 DIY at checkout to get 5% off. Welcome back, guys, to vlog number 3. As you can see, roof is now on, really nicely in. Let me show you on the outside. So we got this like, I don't know what you call that, like the paper stuff. Knowledge is what I've got there, and then there's the battens, because the cedar like that will pin onto there, and got a nice little overhang on the front, just to protection from rain and makes it look nice. But yeah, this is the inside now, same as sort of before. It's just a lot more enclosed now. It's nice, makes it feel a bit more like a room, toilet and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully next week, I think it is, there'll be boarding out the, like, putting the insulation in and boarding out. Got to get the electrics in there too, and the cedar is like a special order, so that's got to be delivered, especially because, you know, wood. And then it will be they're doing like a rubber roof and then putting felt on that, so they just got to sand the roof down and make it like nice and flat, stick the rubber down. So those will be the next clips you see. So yeah, catch you in those. Right, hopefully you can see this. It's a bit late because they finished a bit later today, and I was really busy. But this reflective stuff is the insulation. So it's just like, let me show you. This insulation board, it's 100mm thick, I think. Well, the walls are 100mm, that might be 75. But yeah, so all the walls and the ceiling are now insulated, which was a big problem in the last workshop, just because it wasn't sealed. This room is going to be sealed. You know, it's going to have a proper door. The old shed had like gaps at the foundation between the walls. So this is going to be nice and warm. I just wanted to show you this. I know it's really poor quality lighting, but I think tomorrow the electricians come in and then it will get boarded. So hopefully I'll be able to show you a bit of that. So progress update. It's been a little while since I filmed the last clip, I think. So everything here is different. So we got the cladding on the outside, the cedar, which matches our outside bar over there. And I'll just take you inside a little bit. So I'm pretty sure it was insulated in the last clip, but we've got some wiring, so light switches, where we want all the plugs and stuff. We had a little leak in the roof, but that was fine in the end. That was just where it was holding water on the top. But yeah, really pleased. Let me keep backing up. Let me wide angle that. Yeah, really pleased with what it looks like. It looks absolutely stunning. It fits really well, obviously, with that one over there. It looks pretty much identical, and I'm just super happy with the exterior, and I just can't wait to get the doors on, get the inside boarded out. I think that's next week. So yeah. Right, welcome back, guys. This is still the same vlog, but it's been so long for me, I've actually forgotten what I spoke about. But as you can see there's that like plastic soffit or trim round. So there's, you can see hanging at the corner there, it's been rubberized, and then they put like felt on top of that. Hopefully I've got enough light in here to show you. It might be a bit echoey, but we've got electrics now. They're not like fully wired up, but everything's in its place where I wanted it to be laid out. And we now have plasterboard on the ceiling, and that will be plastered probably next week now, because it's a bit later in the week. But yeah, doing well. We had some really bad weather last week. Don't know if you can see there, like, all this has all come down from the trees and stuff, and yeah, so things were blown about quite a bit. So that put work off quite a bit, but hopefully the weather holds out now and things can get back into the full swing. So hopefully we'll get the lights in, plaster on the inside up there, and then they can put the internal walls on, and we can start actually fitting out a bit more. And I think the doors are coming next week as well, so hopefully you'll be able to see that, if not next vlog. Welcome back, guys. It's been another little while since the last clip. It's been a few days, but as you can see, brown ceiling, so that means it's plastered. It's looking really good. The weather's held off nicely, so it hasn't rained and it hasn't been too windy, so hopefully this will dry up nice. and next vlog you should see this wall going in, and then they'll just board it out, and then it sort of all trucks away and it should start speeding up again. So I'm going to end this vlog here, and then start the next vlog on the wall and the doors and stuff like that, because this one's taken a while. I haven't uploaded in quite a while because of the weather and stuff like that and the setbacks. So I'm going to end this one here. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, subscribe and leave a like. And again, as said at the start of the video, that I'm sponsored by Lumberjack Tools. Use their code on their website. That's to the end of 2021 now. Some great tools, so get yourself 5% off. Thanks for watching. See you next time.